Hi guys! So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng parcel and here it is. By the way, this is the iPad mini and tignan natin kung talagang iPad mini yung laman itong box na to. So guys, before I start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So it's been a while guys since my last upload, since wala na rin talaga akong ma-content, and as you can see sa aking mga previous videos, it is more on short na tayo. So ngayon guys, buksan natin to para meron naman akong ma-upload, di ba, na bago. So ayun, without further ado, let's get started. iPad mini 6 nga pala tong in-order ko guys. And yun nga, simulan na natin yung pag-open. And I don't know kung paano ko ipapakita sa inyo habang binubuksan ko siya kasi walang cable. Pero yun, let's do this one. And paparinig ko na lang siguro sa inyo. Ayan. Actually, ang hirap niya ha. Wait lang, kukuha lang. So I'm back and I got this one. Ito siya, ina-open ko na siya guys. And kung naririnig nyo yun, I don't know kung paano ko ipapakita guys dahil wala talagang cable dito. And pero yun, I've already opened the box. Not totally, pero ay, unti-unti na natin siyang na-open. Ayan. The other side. Wow, so I've already opened the box guys and here it is. Ayan. So meron siyang laman and it's not a rock. Wow. Pero moment of truth, i-check pa rin natin sa mismong loob ng item. So here it is and I think it is secured naman, and as you can see, it's wrapped with bubble wrap. So let's open this one guys. Ayan, so ang hirap talaga guys, talagang hirap niya. Paano ko siya ipapakita sa inyo habang binubuksan ko, gano'n, diba? So, I don't know, pero eto na siya. Wait nga lang, let me open this one na lang, tapos minsanan ko na lang ipakita sa inyo. Pwede ba yung gano'n? Ba't pa naging unboxing, diba? Ayun. Okay lang. Oh, so here it is. Wow! Nakakatakot baka bagsak ko agad natin. Ayan, di ba? So, ayan siya. Wow, so it is inside. Wow. So, this one is from J&J Gadget Store. And here it is. Nasa bag siya. And here is the iPad. Wala siyang box, guys, ha? Ay. Ayan, so direct, ano na siya? Ay, ang ganda. Wow. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So, later na natin to. So, tignan natin what's inside the bag or the pouch. So, there is a stylus pen. So, ito yung universal lang siya. So, freebie niya, guys. Ayan. Comes with universal stylus pen. This one. Ay, ang galing. May paganda siya. AirPods. So, meron din siyang free AirPods. Wow. And here how it looks like. Ayan. So, meron siyang free AirPods. Next is, meron din siyang free, ayan, Type-C cable cord. Ayan. And meron din siya yung pinakasaksakan. Here it is. Ayan. So, nakalagay siguro ito dito. And natanggal siya. So, here it is. And here is our iPad mini. So, wala siyang box guys because I just bought this second hand but good as new, you know. Tingnan natin kung mag-on siya. Moment of truth. Ay, ang ganda niya. Guys, ang ganda niya. Look. Super handy and super premium. Wow! So, ano pang hinihintay mo? Magpabudol ka na rin ito and I think na you deserve this one. So, if you're a college student, iPad is really essential, guys. Pero depende pa rin sa program na tinitake mo. But if you're an IT or computer-related program, I suggest na computer or laptop yung bilhin nyo. Pero, ayun nga, iPad yung nandito sa atin. And let's turn this one on. Ay! Naka-on na siya! Akala ko naman maglalabas pa yung Apple logo something. Ooh, meron siyang password, guys. So, look. Ayan. So, madali lang naman i-decipher yung ganito. Bali, yung hinulaan ko yung password, 000, and I guess the right one. Wow! Ayan, diba? So, hindi na siya naka-power off. So, let me power off this one and I'm going to turn it on para makita nyo yung Apple logo na lalabas, guys. So, I'm gonna turn it off. So, I'm gonna shut down this one. So, now, let's turn it on and tignan natin kung Apple logo yung lalabas if I turn it on. So, ayun. Oh, di ba, guys? Bale, grabe yung una, nakasindi na pala siya, and, ayan, very, naman, di man lang pinower off. So, ayan na siya, and, our battery percentage is 25%. Napaka-cute, guys, ng iPad mini. As you can see, ganyan siya. Napaka-handy niya, and I can't wait to use it for note-taking. By the way, I have the iPad 6 Gen, guys, as of the moment, and, very useful pa rin naman yun. Kaso, sabi ko, parang mas gusto ko gusto or kailangan ko na mag-upgrade, guys. Since iPad 6 generations released from 2018 pa and nasa max update na yung iPad ko. Pero it works so well pa rin naman, guys. Pero ayun nga, upgrade and for camera purposes na rin. So, dito kasi, guys, I think maganda yung camera niya. Ayan. Ganito itsura niya, guys. So, wow! Tapos meron siyang wide something angle. Ganyan. O, diba? Ganda. Ayan. So, guys, mag-update na lang ako soon about this iPad. Like, customizing, ayan, making this one aesthetic, kineme, and so on. And, ayun, guys, yun lang for today. And, complete package and accessories naman na siya, guys. Ayan, di ba? So, thank you so much. And, yun lang muna tayo for today, unboxing. And, ayan, see you on my next video. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And, soon, guys, maggagawa pa tayo ng maraming content about this iPad mini 6. So, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.